race car update. Bent crank, smashed block, destroyed 2 rods. Doing some wiring, guys. Making some panels, putting in some fun stuff. Wiring in an RPM switch. And we also run a magneto on the small block Ford. So just messing around with the headers a bit. There's the motor with the bent crank from last season. Took a bit of a beating. It's not the first time. So yeah, this is where the action is. Gotta deal with some wires, not too many. Gotta figure out what's going on. Got another tack adapter. Got one here, and the tack's kinda acting funny. So I was trying to sort that out because we put in the air shifter here, modified everything. So, see how that goes. Good times. Not much content being put out lately, guys, but stay tuned. We're trying. Just busy. I just rewired the 240. Didn't want to bore you with that stuff. Did some body work, but more is coming. So for now, today's project is the hot rod. Getting low, Harlow? Jiggy with it. Well, we got the wiring done. Now we're on the some body work, fun stuff. Got the race car wired up. Got the headers here ready to get coated. Got dash lights, got working wipers, need a new windshield, need new seat belts. And then we're ready to race this thing, I guess, in street mode. And we also need a new power switch, because it's plastic. They don't like it. So this will be fun, making it look like it never happened. With this pig in there. Maybe I'll take the turbo off and just do the whole tub. Take him off. The pipes. And bang her out. We also got 3rd place at CSCS with this bad boy. So, in the drag racing. So it's not too bad. And we got 4th. Didn't get anything for that, but a gift certificate. So, currently gonna prime it today. Gonna bag it all off and get rid of the power steering setup. It's in the way. Where is it? There. Should really get rid of all this other stuff in the way. But I like a challenge. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, guys, for more of this.